Kaizen is a Japanese two-word kai and zen. Kai means change and zen means good. So it's a good change. Kaizen is a continuous improvement for making changes for the better. It is a small progress that works over time, makes extraordinary result. In other words, Kaizen is everyone, every day, and everywhere. So it means that every one of us are included in Kaizen for simple changes in every single day, in every single places.
One of the important roles of a Kaizen approach is the role of executive management. The role of executive management or executive manager are responsible for establishing Kaizen as the corporate strategy of the organization. They are also assigned in establishing systems, procedures, structures, and that promotes Kaizen. The executive leaders or the executive managers have the task to set the stage for Kaizen and provide the necessary support and resources. The responsibility is to create an environment that is perfect for positive change. Leaders kick off the process of strategies deployment, often using the Hoshin-Conwick approach to align goals and improvement efforts. The success of Kaizen is mainly dependent on employees believing that the leadership team is dedicated to the Kaizen process and that it isn't just another passing management plan. Leaders at this level must also be willing to make investment in training, software, consultant, or whatever is needed to support organizational transformation. It is said that the role of executive manager is a leader who is responsible for planning and helping to facilitate any Kaizen event for the team. That this event will focus on a specific area of improvement and can be a great way to rapid improvement in a company. Of course, the success of these types of events relies largely on the guidance of the Kaizen leader, which is why this role is so important.
Middle managers are in charge of facilitating any changes needed in an organization and creating an effective working environment. They administer day-to-day routines, monitors performance, and make sure everything is done in compliance with the organization's needs. Middle managers also act as communicators for upper management, delivering information about organizational change, initiative, and strategies to those in lower levels of the organizations.
The role of middle managers. First, the three levels of management typically found in organization are low-level management, middle-level management, and top-level management. Second, top-level managers are responsible for controlling and overseeing the entire organization. Third, middle-level managers are responsible for executing organizational plans which comply with the company's policies. These managers act as an intermediary between top-level management and low-level management. Last, low-level managers focus on controlling and directing. They serve as role models for the employees they suspensives.
Role of supervisor in Kaizen. Supervisors are responsible for leading a small group of employees. They ensure that every employees are cooperating and doing the Kaizen approach without neglecting even one of it in functional roles. On top of that, they are responsible for maintaining teamwork within the company. Supervisors also train their employees on how to achieve their goals and improve their works based on Kaizen approach.
These are the people that is responsible for participating in Kaizen by taking part in teamwork activities, engaging in continual self-improvement activities, and enhancing job skills through education and training. The people who are in the best place to identify opportunities for improvement, suggest solutions, implement changes, and ensure results over the long term are the employees. The Kaizen process can't happen without engaging the people who do the work in making the processes better. In order for every team member to be useful, everyone should know how their work relates to the strategic goals of the organization. They should have the power and the support to report and respond to process breakdowns or quality problems.